Hi, I am back. This is Ismael again. I hope you had the opportunity to watch the last video regarding how to dig the right hole. Today, don't go away. Today we are going to be talking about doing the right planting. Why the plant has to be planted correctly. And there are a few steps that we need to follow. First, the width of the hole should be double the size of the root ball of the plant that you're going to be planting. Okay, now because most of the plants are coming from the nurseries, the plants coming in a container something like this. So when the plant is coming from the nursery and the container in the nursery for a few years, in the nursery they start adding soil to the container. When you're going to be planting this plant, there is a very important rule when you're going to be planting plants. The top of the root ball must be level with the soil. It could be a little bit above, but if it's under, that is a no, never. Because the soil being in touch with the trunk of the plant, that the moist that the soil is giving to the plant constantly, that is going to provoke rottenness in the trunk. Getting the plant, you pull out the plant from the container, okay, carefully. Now the soil is here, so you need to be sure to get to the top of the root ball like this. So in here, this soil was filled in the container. So now you start removing the soil. Remove the soil. Remove the soil. There is a fill in here in the container until you get to the top of the root ball, where is the crown or the root of the plant. So this part of the plant has to be level with the ground. Now in trees they are bigger, 24-inch boxes or 15-inch boxes. The rule is leave it up above ground, maybe 1 inch, 2 inches, and that way because it's a bigger hole, when the soil settles down, then the tree or the plant is going to stay level with the ground. Now, one more rule is very important. One more aspect. When they have a plant growing in the nursery in containers, they get the ball, they get root bound. Check the root system, how the roots are growing. This is a sparrow in here, so this will be a very weak root system because it's going to start growing around. So what we need to do in here, this root, we need to cut it like that, so in that way we stimulate a root growing down. Then this root in here, we need to cut it in several places like this, to cut all those little roots that are growing horizontal, because we want the roots of this tree to start growing vertical. So this root, if it start growing vertical, it's going to be a very healthy root, and then we are going to have a very healthy tree with a very healthy plant growing. Now, when we start filling up, like this tree is just a little bit below the ground, so we need to put a little bit extra soil. And remember the last video, put a little bit of soil in the center, and that way we make the roots growing to the outside better. Okay? Which you add soil amendment. So I will recommend you to use, this is a very good soil amendment. It's Harvest Supreme, 60% chicken manure, and also has mycorrhiza. And that is a fungus they grow and has a symbiotic effect in the ground to make make the life of the soil do better. In a way, keep moist also around, and nutrients will be more available for the plant. So we put a little bit of, then this is another thing that I like to do also. When you're going to pull out soil from the bag, don't do it like this. It's very, very unpractical. Okay, mix the soil with a little bit of this soil amendment, a little more, and a little more. And wait, a little bit more. Then we mix this well, and then now we are going to have this soil stabilizer, and we call here Mirimichi Green Soil Enhancer. Very important also to break the molecules in the soil, the minerals, so the minerals in the soil will be more available to the plants. So this is a very, very important product. And the same thing, we can roll a little bit, put a little bit there, spray 1 or 2 handfuls, mix it in there a little bit, and then get a organic fertilizer. Organic, very good. Put again also 2 handfuls of this. For this size of plant. If you have a bigger tree, you can have 6 or 7 handfuls of the fertilizer, or follow the label instructions for each product. Now, mixing the soil, that is now enriched with all those extra minerals. We fill it up. Fill back the hole with the filling soil in here. This, remember, the trunk of this tree is not a problem if we put soil against the trunk, because papaya trees, they like that. So we put this soil in there, and then we build a ring around. I don't like to use gloves because I like to feel what I am doing, and gloves, it just take away the sensation of nature. And I just like to play with this. I am a dirty boy. I like to play with the soil. The ring, I am particular with the ring. I like to make it more even. A circle in there, and then we should bring the hose and put some water in here to this tree. Every time that we plant a plant, or we do the pruning a plant, the plant getting stressed, and then we need to help the plant with vitamins, minerals, water, and a lot of love. I'm hoping that you will appreciate what I show you in here. Please keep looking at my videos, because I will be back with more stuff for you. Good stuff. So see you next time. Bye bye.